Primal Brain is being promoted as a nootropic supplement that claims to improve focus, boost mental clarity, and enhance overall brain performance. But the real question is whether it actually delivers results or just sounds convincing. The product is typically sold as a capsule formula, using ingredients like amino acids, herbal extracts, and compounds that support neurotransmitters, aiming to improve attention, memory, and mental energy. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Some ingredients commonly found in brain supplements, like bacopa, choline, or tyrosine, have been studied for cognitive support and may help with focus or mental clarity in certain cases. However, here's the key issue. There's no strong independent clinical evidence proving that Primal Brain, as a specific product, significantly improves focus. Most of the claims about better memory, clarity, or productivity come directly from a brand's own marketing rather than verified studies. Looking at similar products in this category, like Primal Mind Fuel, the pattern becomes clearer. Independent reviews found little to no noticeable cognitive improvement, often due to low ingredient dosages or ineffective formulations. User experiences are also mixed. Some people report mild improvements in clarity, but many say the effects are subtle or not worth the price. One review noted only mild support for mental clarity with limited impact. Others reported no noticeable improvement in focus or energy at all. There are also general concerns with nootropic supplements. Results vary heavily depending on the individual, and many products use proprietary blends with unclear or underdosed ingredients. It's also important to understand that real improvements in focus usually come from sleep, nutrition, stress management, and proven methods, not just a supplement. So, does Primal Brain actually improve focus? It might provide mild support at best, but it's not a proven or reliable solution. The bottom line is that Primal Brain appears to be another overhyped brain supplement with limited scientific backing. So expectations should be kept realistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.